can't find your AirPods or AirPods Pro? Try using Find My to help you track them down. We'll show you how to view your AirPods in Find My and how to locate them. We'll also go through what to do if your AirPods are offline. To locate your AirPods, Find My must have already been set up before your AirPods went missing. You can see whether Find My is active by checking settings on the device that your AirPods are paired with. If you don't have access to a paired device, you can sign in at iCloud.com on a mobile or desktop browser instead. To view your AirPods' last known location on a map, start by opening Find My. Next, tap Devices, and tap your AirPods in the list to take a closer look. The map will show where and when your AirPods were last connected. From here, Find My has a few options to help you locate your AirPods. If your AirPods are out of their case and somewhere close by, tap Play Sound. You'll hear this sound, so you can follow the chime and find them if they're in the next room or inside your coat pocket. If your AirPods are in different places, you can tap Mute Left or Mute Right to focus on finding one at a time. When you find one, tap Stop and place the AirPod back in its case. If your AirPods are in their case, tap Directions to head back to their last known location. You can also look for your AirPods if they are offline, out of battery, or out of range. You won't be able to play a sound, but you might be able to get directions to where they were last connected. Need to unpair your AirPods? Tap Remove this device. Once you do this, you won't be able to locate them with Find My, and you'll have to pair them with your device again if you eventually find them. And that's how Find My can help you look for your AirPods.